Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell. We are also going to discuss about Nifty and Banknifty for Friday, 10th of February, friends. I hope you people had a very profitable expiry. In yesterday's video, we had given ITC for a buy, and let me pull up the chart for ITC. It is here. So friends, ITC started with a gap down, okay, made a low here and made a high within first half an hour and then remained sideways throughout the difference. So 9:15 buy and 10 o'clock sell is the people who made money. Again, towards 1 o'clock is what it started giving. It gave a engulfing kind of a candle, a morning or a shooting star candle, and continued its journey upwards. Again at this area, there was some kind of retracement and it came down again. Net, if you look at it, it's consolidating, friends. Now, if this was a breakout, okay, you can see this high was made exactly at that trend line, and after this trend line is broken is when it will continue its journey upwards, friends, with the flag and pole pattern that we showed yesterday in the yesterday's video. If you have not seen the video, I request you to please see the video to get a better understanding. Coming to the sell stock, it was Asian Paints, friends. We wanted to short it at the break of this candle, but nothing. There was no opening, or there was not one candle that formed below this for us to enter. Anyways, straight upwards without giving us any entry, friends. So we can say sell stock did not perform at all, or we can also say that there was no entry. Coming to Nifty, Banknifty, friends. Nifty gave a gap down or a sideways opening, continued its journey downwards. Now, important point here, friends. We had shown you Fibo in yesterday's video from the recent bottom to the top. Okay, exactly at 23.6 is what it retraced, continued its journey upwards, made the top, again fell down and upwards again, friends. Similar was the story. We already discussed that Bank Nifty was at this kind of a triangle pattern, okay, and I told you that it will give you a breakdown, but don't go for selling on breakdown is what was discussed. And we also discussed about two entry points from the recent bottom to the recent top. Okay, this was your first entry point. Anyone who gave a buy here was in profit throughout the difference. Coming to the second entry point, which I suggested was here, but this point did not come at all. From here itself it became bullish and continued the journey upwards, and as we expected this particular trend line to break. That really did not happen. Probably might happen in a day or two, friends. That's what we are expecting from Bank Nifty. Now what's important is here, friends, already there are multiple attempts made to break this trend line. Okay, first attempt was somewhere here, okay, second attempt was here, there was an attempt, close attempt here, again an attempt here. Now finally it broke this particular level and went a little up. If I draw a trend line somewhere like this, there was a clear breakout followed by a retest that happened and an upward momentum. Look at these candles. These candles show strength in the stock, friends. Now let it go ahead, and if it hovers at this area for some time, okay, like this, then we can go ahead and stay for a buy. As soon as it breaks this area, you'll see at least 300 points upward momentum, friends. So you can easily go ahead and capture till here is what we can expect from Bank Nifty at this point of time. Coming to Nifty, similar, friends. Only difference is this particular area was broken and an edit test was done and an upward momentum. And that's the reason we are considering it as bullish. Coming to buy stock for the day, we are choosing M&M for a buy. See, here you can see it is all consolidating. But look at its overall trend. You can see that it was in buy trend. Then it started consolidating. What will happen next? It will again continue its or resume its movement upwards. Now if I draw a flag and pole pattern, you can clearly see this is your pole, this is your flag, and this is your flag. So whenever this flag breaks, that's when you can see a similar kind of a target like this from here. Okay, that's what we can see in this particular stock. Coming to the sell stock, which is Nestle India, friends. Again, you can see it is all consolidating. However, if you see the overall trend, it is negative, friends. It's going downwards. Now, if I draw a Fibo from the recent high, which is somewhere here, okay, or actually here, to the low, which is here. Let me draw the Fibo from recent high to the low. You can see somewhere it is not able to go ahead and touch the 38.2 levels also. It is consolidating at 23.6 levels only. So as soon as there is a breakdown of this particular level, okay, you can see a downward momentum. And more importantly, friends, reason number 2 is you can see a kind of a head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, once this head and shoulder breaks also, you can see a good downward momentum till the bottom, which is around 18,840-ish, friends. So you can create sell positions till there. And that's all for today, friends. If you're liking the content, please hit the like button. That is one way in which YouTube understands that someone is creating good content and shares that content with multiple people, friends. Anyways, thanks for watching and wish you a profitable Friday.